right next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. Today, I want to show you how to make a light, refreshing torch ginger salad. Ready? Okay. So, when we begin, throw in all the vegetables that you want to put in. These are actually carrots which I slice it. Okay. Put it in. Cucumber. Of course, these are the Japanese cucumbers. You know, the skins are very dark green in color. Onions. One of the major ingredients that people use in salads is onions. I use some red pepper, which I actually cut it. Okay, garlic that is actually sliced and pounded. I do not want it to be so fine, but it has to be a bit coarse. This is Kaffir lime leaves. It is one type of lime tree which the shape of the leaves are like this. Okay, so you have to bruise it, open, slice it as to get the smell, the flavor. A bit pungent, but very perfumery or whatever I call it. And then of course, the local torch ginger, we call it Bunga Kantan, is actually a plant that is like a lotus in shape when it opens, okay? And then there's leaves by leaves. What I just do is to cut it through, and this is what you get, okay? So we throw all this in. Some people call this laksa leaves because there's one famous dish called laksa which the locals always like. Next time I'll show you how to make laksa. Now after all this, right, you can put in the lime, of course not the seeds in. This is how I always do it. This lime is like lemon, it gives you a very light, refreshing taste. Okay, next, the spices. What do we have here? These are chili flakes, alright? To give it a very spicy kind of taste, we have black pepper, which shake it in, and then there is mustard seeds. These are mustard seeds, okay? Small little things that you add in to the dish. And then there is this turmeric. Once turmeric is in, this whole dish will look more or less like yellow in color because it is color of yellow, right? And then you have some salt, just a little bit, because I'm going to use more fish sauce. Fish sauce. There are many types of fish sauce in the market. What I'm using is the one that is made out of squid. Okay. Dash it in. Brown sugar, which I commonly use in my recipes. Just a little dash. Okay, it's good enough. Then we will mix the whole thing up. That's about it. So this is the tropical salad that I just created. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel and share your thoughts with me in the comments below. Join me again in the kitchen soon. Bye!